Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So today let's talk about my lawn and why it looks yellowish. Now, I'm drinking out of aluminum cans today. I hate aluminum cans. This is left over from what I bought my son-in-law here a few weeks back. And so I gotta finish it off. Bottles are much better. But anyways, yellow lawn. We have had tons and tons and tons of rain. In my 53 years of life, I have never seen it rain as much as it has in Northwest Georgia this May. I have no idea. I think somebody sent me something the other day that said we had 29 and it's rained since then, so 30 inches of rain year to date. And hell, I would bet a majority of that is here in May. I'm kidding, of course, but we've had a ton of rain. So I guess what I need to do is get out here and pound my yard with some good old high nitrogen, maybe a 4600 to get it to green up. No, that's not what I need to do. That's probably the worst thing I could do is to push growth with as wet and humid as it's been. My lawn is growing just fine. Matter of fact, I just cut it and I took 2 baskets off this thing with the roll mower. I cut my buddies and took a full basket off of it. So what am I gonna do? I'd like to tell you I was smart enough with this, but I'm gonna call him Captain Fireman's Lawn across the subdivision. He and I were talking and I told him about the issue. And he said, no, Barkham, you need to go out there and you need to put some iron on your lawn. Just spray it with iron and that'll take care of everything. You've got a chlorosis issue where your lawn didn't get enough sun to make the whole chain reaction work from the soil up through the roots, feed the tissues into the leaves. You need to feed it some iron. And that's what I'm fixing to do. I'm about to load some up on my backpack sprayer. I'm gonna spray mine, I'm gonna spray my neighbor's. Now I'm glad right now you can see my neighbor's lawn. And I wanna tell you something. Starting about this time of year, sporadically on and off, his yard is gonna beat mine pretty good. And the reason why that is look at his lawn right now, afternoon shade. Mine, by the time this next month, middle of next month, that will be full sun, all in there. Cool tissue on the leaf of the grass, warmer tissue because of the sun and on the leaves in the afternoon. So his will get morning sun, and it loves that. It gets the hot summer sun, the humidity, it's loving it. It's like a little kid being in the pool in the morning hours. But as that afternoon hits, those kids are in that warm water and they're like, man, this isn't so fun like it was this morning. This pool's warmed up. Well, that's what my lawn is like. I got another buddy across subdivision, same thing. His front yard sits in the sun in the morning up until, I don't know, 4 o'clock. Sun goes down, cools it off. Next morning it repeats the process and it loves it. My lawn, by the time that peak summer gets here, until, let's see here, until probably about 7 o'clock, it will be in full sun. And that means a lot of water. And I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna go broke and not enjoy life because I had to water my lawn all day long every day. Plus, I can't keep it as cool as I want to keep it, like if it were in the shade in the afternoon, because of the elements that I have. Now, I will come out here and I'll do a process called syringing in the very hot part of the summer when we got triple-digit heat index. I'll come out here, I'll put my sprinklers out for about 10-15 minutes max and let them cool off the yard, just enough to get the tips cool, but that's it. Now, as far as the yellowing goes, I do have a iron product that I like to spray on the lawn. You guys know my channel, I don't give out products. I'll tell you, you can find this in a white container with a green and yellow label. And it is a great product. I love it. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna pour it in a backpack sprayer. I'm gonna put it out here. I'm gonna leave it on the grass blades overnight. And then tomorrow morning, I will water everything in and boom. Within a few days, I'll be golden and this yellow lawn will be green. That's all I got for you. Bermuda Brian, out.